Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Today we are going to study mathematics class 2nd. Let's start. Today we are going to solve some sums of borrowing from 100 when tens is 0. Okay. Procedure same. You already know. Okay. Now we are going to start. Now look at here. Here are some sums of subtraction. The procedures are same. Okay. First we take from 100 when 10 is 0. Okay, now look at here, we borrowing 10 from here, this is become 10, we borrowing here, this is become 11, 11 minus 3 is equal to 8, and this is become 9, 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Okay, now because we borrowed here, that's why this is become 8, 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Okay, so when we minus 523 from 901, we get 378. Okay, now this one, this is 3, we cannot minus 4, that's why we will borrow from here, because this is 0, that's why we will borrowing from here. Okay, this is become 10, and we borrowing from 10, this is become 13. Okay, 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. Now this is become 9, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Now this is become 7, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. When we minus 434 from 803, we get 369. Now this one, this is 3, we cannot minus 5 from 3, that's why we will borrowing from here, and this is 0, we will borrowing from 100. Okay, now this is become 10, now we can borrow from 10. Okay, this is we borrowing, and this is become 13, 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. Now this is become 9, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, this is become 5, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. When we minus 455 from 603, we get 148. Now this one, this is 0, and this is also 0, so we will borrowing from 100, this is become 10, and we will borrowing from here, this is become 10. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1, this is become 9, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Now this is become 8, 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So when we minus 559 from 900, we get 351. Now this one, this is 5, we cannot minus 6 from 5, that's why we will borrowing from here, this is 0, so we will borrowing from 100, 100 we get 10, this is become 10. Okay, 0 become 10. Okay, now we get 1 from here, this is become 15, 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Now this is become 9, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, this is become 7, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. When we minus 446 from 805, we get 359. Now this one, this is 2, we cannot minus 3, that's why we will borrowing from here, and from here. Okay, now this is become 12, and this is become 9. Okay, 12 minus 3 is equal to 9, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, this is become 7, because we borrowed here, that's why 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. When we minus 343 from 802, we get 459. Okay, now this one, this is 1, and this is 0, so we will get 10 from here, this is become 10, and now we will get 10 from here, this is become 11, 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Now this is become 9, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Now this is become 8, 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. When we subtract 435 from 901, we get 466. Now this one, this is 6, so we will get from here, and we will get from here. Okay, this is become 16, 16 minus 8 is equal to 8, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. When we minus 148 from 506, we get 356. So today's we done some sums of subtraction. I hope you liked it. If you like, then subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Okay, thanks for watching this video.